So the pointy end is the front end of the RipStick. So just lay it down, and then you're gonna want to step on with your dominant foot. To start out, just push a couple times and you stand on. Start on a downhill grade like this and it will be a whole lot easier because you can just go.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want.
So once you have your second foot on, the motion to keep going is just a continuous foot going, one foot's going forward, the other's going back. Think of it as one motion, not as two separate motions. It's just sliding one foot up and the other back simultaneously like this. To go faster, you don't do bigger motions, you do quicker motions, like this. When you're turning backward, you just lean a little bit backward. And then when you're turning forward, just lean a little bit forward. With a little practice, you shouldn't have much trouble doing tighter turns and going uphill. And I might mess up on it a lot, so it's not like I'm perfect either, but we'll just put the good stuff in.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Really? You'll get a feel for that as you do it. So, there you go.